Well, I'm back in the yard. Got a chance to get a couple of days in here. What's going to go on here today? You probably see that water draining there. Got the pump in there draining my hot tub. Had it circulating for a couple hours this morning. Let me get sanitize it. Ooh, that's a strong wind. But anyway, what I'm going to do here, this nice maple that's up in there, always like that, and this little line right along here, if you look, this maple is kind of being crowded out with this chestnut here. So when this chestnut blooms, it really starts to dominate that maple. Let me get back if I can. So you see how that maple is starting to go up straight? It's being crowded out by that maple and by the chestnut. So I'm going to pick this chestnut up right now, and I'm going to take it over here. This was a spot that I was going to put some of that stuff here for color, but I'm going to just shift that chestnut over to here and let that thing really take off. I moved that mountain ash out of the woods last year. That's in there. So that chestnut will go right here and it'll really bloom. And what that'll do, it'll allow that maple to grow this way. Give my hot tub a little privacy. Some privacy here. And I'm hoping the next door neighbor is going to let me take one of the big global cedars out, and it's going to go right there. So let's get at her. Well, that's a start. Tub is drained. That chestnut has moved over there. It looks kind of nice there. Let's go down and have a look. I was going to add over here some grass there, but I realize now how much more room I need, so I've got to keep that all open. I need this for driveway. Identify it around here now with this level. Turn it around here. And that hole over here, which you would normally think would gather water. So I'm going to try to identify, actually maybe I'll just leave it like that, but right there, what I'm going to do, all of this, or a good portion of it, I'm just not 100% sure yet, because I love how it looks, but if I take that out, it gives me the room down here that I need for the truck, and here. I need that room. So if I take that out, it still shows up over there with a real nice purple look. So there's a couple of real nice plants up there with real nice colors. So I think that would add in there nice. It would give me all of this room down here, this entrance room here, and that. So that kind of, that swoop, you know, right there, right in there. There's a lilac in behind there, so the lilac could really take off by itself right in there. That is really blooming here. As I say, hopefully I'll put a tree in there. I think that's kind of how I like it. Tomorrow, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stake these trees in. This tree, it's got to be staked. I've got a spruce up on the other side there that the wind really played havoc with this winter. It's got to be staked, so stake this chestnut, stake that red spruce up there, and then I'm going to bring the old ramp from down the other place up here and put it in here and get it organized, because this will be for the Triumph. So that'll be done tomorrow. That bigger spruce up there will be staked. This will be staked. Had to tamp it in good and hard. You don't want any air in around the roots. I didn't want to water it, but the root, the bulb, or the buds are flushing. They're sticky. They're flushing. I've got to cut this off. It took a little bit of a pounding. Not much I could do about that, you know, a tree that size. I had to get the whole root pod. But, you know, there's a real good stem here, good stem there, good stem there, and then multiple laterals as it goes up. So I got no worries there about that taken. Got the whole root pod, so it's in there good. But it should be staked. And then once I know the frost is, cold nights are gone, I'll start watering it. This stuff, you know, you get a little concerned with this, the bugs to get in. But I'll watch it. Okay, I'm not going to worry too much about grading everything up, because I've got some work to do around, and just kind of leave everything like it is.